high-tech na kama na gumagalaw at kusang lumalamig.
Gumagalaw siya on its own.
Silipin natin dito sa Wellrest Baliwag. Hey everyone! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Tarcan Baliwag para sa grand opening ng Wellrest.
Welcome to Wellrest PH!
Ang Wellrest ang kauna-unahang nag-o-offer ng smart and cooling mattresses dito sa Pilipinas. Nakaka-amaze yung kanilang smart mattress because of its adjustable recline technology. Kaya pwede iangat o ibaba ang head and leg position to komportable sa'yo.
At ito naman yung kanilang best-seller na size. Ito yung XL King
It
size.
also has the anti-snoring feature na automatic iaangat ng bahagya ang ulo mo kapag na-detect na naghihilik ka. Their smart mattresses and pillows are very easy to use gamit ang kanilang user-friendly remote or phone app.
Control pa rin po natin siya using our smartphone.
Siyempre, may single,
May
queen,
merong king size. Yung cooling mattress naman ay perfect, especially ngayong mainit ang panahon. Ginagamitan nito ng cooling gel-infused memory foam na breathable.
May cooling technology po siya, so may cooling effect po siya kapag diniin po natin siyang ganun.
Adaptive din yung foam niya na mag-a-adjust sa hubog ng katawan mo, which helps lessen body pains para mas komportable ang tulog. At high-tech din ang pillow nila ha, dahil may adjustable lights, pwedeng gawing alarm clock, at may built-in sound system.
meron siyang sariling app na pwede mong i-download, that Smart Pillow app. Nandito lang sila sa Point A building along DRT Highway sa Barangay Tarcan. Open sila from Monday to Saturday from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. and every Sunday naman from 9 a.m. until 5.
Stay hungry!